Spot the change. Physical change. What does physical change mean? Matter changes its form but not its chemical identity. How can I know if a physical change has happened? Change in size. If a piece of paper is cut into two pieces, the paper becomes smaller but still remains as paper. Change in shape. A tree is carved into a baseball bat. The wood changes shape but still remains as wood. Change in state. The liquid water freezes and changes into solid ice. Liquid water changes state from a liquid to a solid, but still remains as liquid water. Question time. In a physical change, no new substances are formed.
True.
What type of change has occurred when a glass breaks?
Physical change.
Chemical change. What does chemical change mean? Chemical change is when a substance changes into a new substance. Points you should know about chemical change. Change into a new substance. When a chemical change occurs, a new substance forms that has completely different properties than the original substance. When a chemical change occurs, it is very difficult, if not possible, to return the substance to its original form. How can I know if a chemical change has happened? Change in color. When white paper turns into black ash, a color changes and a chemical change has occurred. Gases are given off. When a piece of paper is burned, smoke and other gases, such as carbon monoxide, are produced. An example of a chemical reaction. When iron is heated with sulfur, a new substance, iron sulfide, is formed. The iron and sulfur have reacted together to form a new substance. A chemical reaction has taken place. The iron atoms have bonded with the sulfur atoms. We can show what happens in a reaction using a word equation. In the equation, the arrow represents the chemical reaction. The reactants are the substances that react together. The products are the new substances that are made in the reaction. Question time. In a chemical change, a chemical reaction occurs.
True.
A chemical change can be easily reversed.
False.
Summary. We can show what happens during a chemical reaction using a word equation. The substances at the start of the reaction are the reactants. The new substances that are formed are the products. Physical change. In a physical change, matter changes its form but not its chemical identity. Chemical change. In a chemical change, a chemical reaction occurs and new products are formed. Is this a chemical or physical change? Butter melting.
Physical change.
Fireworks exploding.
Chemical change.